Hi, my name is Susan Schwartz. I'm a 59-year-old woman, and I've certainly had my share of dentists. And I'm coming here today to give my personal experience and testimony on Dr. Ilona Fotek. I have been a patient of Dr. Fotek's for the past 5 years. Originally, she was in a group practice, and now she is a sole practitioner. How I selected her was I had looked on the internet and I saw the incredible ratings that she had received. I had a mouthful of amalgam fillings that were cracked and old and leaking. My entire mouth, with the exception of my eye teeth and my front teeth, were filled with mercury. These fillings ranged in age from 43 to 47 years old. Not only were they extremely large, they even infiltrated my wisdom teeth, and numerous fillings were on the sides and in the back of various teeth. Dr. Fotek, one of the things that really impressed me with her was I had expressed to her my fear about the age, and that my concerns that dentists oftentimes just take teeth out because it's too much hassle to fix. Dr. Fotek said to me, "I'm very serious about saving every tooth." I had the procedure done, composites were put in. What was amazing to me was it was really totally painless, even the front teeth, which had fillings in the back. She replaced it with composite, and she just did a superb job in matching up the color of the teeth. The thing that was amazing was the age and the depth of the fillings, and that she was able to proceed accordingly without any complications whatsoever. Shortly thereafter, I returned to her, and she made an upper and lower bridge for me. And what really I was very surprised about was that it had taken me almost a decade to get this procedure done due to financial constraints. So as a result, numerous amounts of my teeth were had shifted. And she was able to perfectly align the teeth, the dentures. I still have them today. It's like wearing a glove in my mouth. Another thing I had done was a night guard done by her, which also just snaps on perfectly and has halted the grinding down of my teeth. I feel Dr. Fotek is not just a dentist. I feel she's an artist. I feel she has tremendous compassion and exceptional skills for those she services. And coming into her office, the staff is very pleasant. She takes a holistic approach. It's extremely clean. They're friendly. When I was a kid, dentistry was a very traumatic thing. When you come in here, it's a very calming place. And you hear music. You can have a hot pad to relax you on your neck. They do everything humanly possible to provide a proper ambience, in addition to having state-of-the-art equipment. I was so impressed that a dentist could do a painless procedure on me and literally remove 43 to 47-year-old amalgams that were cracked and leaking without any complications whatsoever, and in a reasonable amount of time that I felt compelled to write the head of the American Dental Association. I explained what I'm explaining on this testimony. I've never written a letter of that nature, but that's how impressed I was with her. Unfortunately, a lot of dentists today, things are a business, and they don't take the preservation of each and every tooth very seriously, and that's something she made very serious to me. I don't know if you can imagine removing a crater-like size, particularly in a mouth that has a small jaw, from a wisdom tooth, and just not only no complications, but making the effort, every human possible effort, to save the tooth when it would have really been simple to add it on to the bridge that was forthcoming. What compelled me to do this testimony is my extreme gratefulness that there are people far and few between that are of this magnificent caliber. I owe my teeth and my dental health to this woman, and for that I am forever grateful. Thank you for listening to this testimony.